The return of psychedelics to a place of reverence is upon us. Their possibilities are being explored again, and the implications will be staggering. But will we let our assumptions block us from discovering their true potentials? Is there something inherently right about organic substances over synthetic ones? We need an indigenous cosmology, a ceremony, and a shaman to obtain value. Do our established perceptions of spectrums of value have any inherent validity? Is there any meaning to reality at all? What if psychedelics could be used as biohacking tools for consciousness expansion? What if we could do this without cultural appropriation and submission to archaic belief systems? What if we could do it in the context of electronic dances and festivals, immersed in light and sound, surrendered to the waves of bass and guidance of the tempo? What would this do to our brains, our consciousness, our fundamental capacity to render reality as a whole?